Want to send SMS messages directly from your AI assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Jan to Ozeki SMS Gateway using SMPP, so you can send and receive texts right from your chat interface. Let's get started. How does this solution work? Jan connects to the SMPP SMS MCP Server through the MCP protocol, acting as the client, while Ozeki SMS Gateway acts as the server and forwards messages to the mobile network over SMPP. What is Jan? Jan is an open-source desktop application that allows you to run large language models locally on your own hardware and can be extended with MCP servers to add external tool capabilities. What is an SMPP SMS MCP Server? Is a standardized software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway system, which then delivers messages to the mobile network over an SMPP client connection. To install Ozeki SMS Gateway, download the installer zip file from the website, extract it, and run the executable to complete the installation. To connect to the mobile network, set up an SMPP client connection by entering the host, port, and credentials provided by your SMS service provider, then save and activate the connection. To enable the MCP functionality in Ozeki, you need to create an MCP user account by selecting the MCP user type, enter a username and password, then generate and copy an API key from the Advanced tab. To configure Jan, open the settings and navigate to the MCP Server's management page. Fill in the server form with the Ozeki URL, transport type, and your authorization header. Then click Save to register the server. To test SMS, sending type your plain language SMS request into the Jan chat input and press the send button. The AI model will interpret the request and select the appropriate MCP tool to fulfill the message delivery. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway and navigate to the MCP User Details page. In the MCP User Event Log, you should see an entry for the outgoing message confirming that it was successfully processed by the gateway. In this video, you learned how to send SMS from Jan using Ozeki SMS Gateway's built-in SMS MCP server. You now have a fully functional on-premises SMS integration that lets your locally hosted AI model communicate with any mobile phone. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.